Denture care tips dentists don't tell you about. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth. I'm a dental therapist. Today we are going to share some denture care tips that dentists don't often mention. Let's start with proper cleaning techniques. Besides brushing your dentures, don't forget to clean your gums and palate too. Alright, brushing these areas help remove dental plaque and improve your overall health. Now let's talk about soaking solutions. Instead of using commercial denture cleaners, try using white vinegar. Mix equal parts of white vinegar and water and soak your dentures for about 15 to 20 minutes. This natural cleaner can help remove stains. Denture adhesives can be a lifesaver, but here is a tip your dentist might not emphasize. Use a minimal amount of adhesive, especially if you're new to dentures. Using it can make them feel uncomfortable. It's essential to remove your denture before bedtime. This gives your gum and mouth a chance to breathe and can prevent issues like fungal infections. Our final tip is something your dentist will definitely agree with: regular dental checkups. If you have dentures, it's crucial to visit your dentist regularly. They can check the fit, make adjustments, and ensure overall oral health. Taking care of dentures can make a significant difference in your daily comfort and overall oral health. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share with anyone. And don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.